My name is Jacob Spurlock. I'm a senior at Alliance High School. I'm in the Welding Academy and I work at Ohio Gradings Incorporated.
My name is Gannon Bing and I work at Ohio Gradings.
Hi, I'm Mr. Steve Fusen and I have been teaching for 32 years at Alliance High School. A typical day in welding is when kids come in the door, we spend about 45 minutes in the classroom. We learn what's called the related part of welding, the book part of welding, because if you don't know how to set your machine and set up the correct amperage and voltage, you'd never be able to be a welder. So we do that first, we learn, and then we go into the shop for the next 2 class periods.
Yes, hi, my name is Eric Peters and I have been teaching for 5 years. In welding, you have to have a very good eye-to-hand coordination. You have to be able to run power machinery, power equipment, power tools. Pursuing welding, advice, I would say work hard. Do not take no for an answer. You're going to have good days, bad days. However, just keep at it and you'll do very well in it.
It gives people opportunities that they didn't even know that they had and helps build skills that people didn't even know that they could build.
We do mainly projects. We work on scrap. We just progress as our own students and get better.
Teachers are Mr. Fusion and Mr. Peters. They just really know how to work with each person individually and help bring out the best in each person and what each person's skills are.